This mom kept hearing strange noises coming from her dryer vent, and what they pulled out will surprise you. At first, she thought it was nothing, but the sounds kept coming, scratching, moving like something was stuck inside. That's when she realized something wasn't right, so she pulled the vent pipe outside and called her neighbor for help. They tried everything to get it out, but whatever was inside kept holding on like it didn't want to be found. Nothing worked until she made one final move that gave it no way to escape. And when it finally came out, something shocking happened. I'll show you.
But wait, if you love your mom more than money, click like and subscribe. And if you think your mom is beautiful and caring, drop a heart in the comments and share the video to show how you truly love her.
Now watch carefully.